So I need to get anchor up. You guys are gonna struggle with this 10-pounder. Carter, you're gonna have to do the lifting, bud. I like how we just live with the knot. We don't untie it. We just live with it. I'm going to, but I'm gonna tighten this up. Guys, go. Yeah.
Mm.
We're going the wrong way, guys. Who's responsible here for pulling this in? You gotta push this back away from this, for the water lines here. Yeah, you gotta keep away from the water line. It's right here. Right here. Oh, you got us all turned around. That's okay. We'll be okay next time. Listen up. The rope's attached back here.
Look, Mama, it's your baby and Mama.
Oh, oh, look at these. So cute. Wonder what they're going to use those for. Such a nice weekend. Love the roof. And this seat. This will be really nice once we get this area all cleaned up. I turn this off?
You just on the back, there's a knob, you turn it to the other setting.
So I'm just gonna quickly show you, it's getting dark. I have to go in, so my goodness, they look so different. They almost look new. So really pleased with this. Wash this all down, ready for tomorrow. Didn't get a chance to do that table over there because it's too far away. I may use a hose or we'll just wipe it down. I raked down ferry stage over there, but I'm not gonna go there now because my boots are all wet and just get all mucky. I just like to do the deck tonight. I didn't get a chance to do the play area, so it's kind of semi-clean. It's a little poo-poo, but it is what it is. If I have time tomorrow morning, I'll try and get up early because I think I can get it done in an hour. But it started sprinkling, and I think we're getting rain tonight until around 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, so I may not have much time anyway. So I'm gonna see if I can get the deck done tonight. It would be great.